We're gonna be installing door visors on this Ram 1500 2026. Stay here, I'm gonna show you the whole process. First thing we're gonna be doing is cleaning this channel. Make sure you clean it properly so that door visor can stay in place. It has a lot of oil from factory, a lot of dirt. We're using alcohol and a microfiber towel to ensure that it's cleaned properly. We're gonna be doing the same thing on all 4 sides before the installation. These door visors are made of polymer flexible material, so you can bend them and nothing is gonna happen to them. Let's do installation. You're gonna install it from the front to back. You're gonna bend it here a little bit, put it in place through the channel. As you can see, very flexible material that is not gonna crack. And the second thing we're gonna be doing is installing these clips. You get 2 clips by door visor. Make sure these raised tabs here are going against the rubber here, not against the door visors. These clips are gonna hold in place the door visor, making sure they don't move and they don't fall off. You're gonna place it right here, about 2 inches from the door. Just push it in. Again, with the raised tabs against the rubber, push it in. Make sure it's properly aligned. Look at this nice black towel door visor that sits flush on this Ram 1500, as you can see. Now we're gonna proceed to install the rear passenger side. Now we're just gonna place it into the channel, slide it up, and proceed to install the 2 clips. One is gonna be up front, one in the back. Remember, the raised tabs are going against the rubber. You just place it, push it in. Same process in the back. Raise tabs to the rubber. Push it in. The first time you roll up that window, you grab it in the center to make sure that the clips are aligned and everything is perfectly installed. Once you do that, everything is gonna sit in place, perfectly aligned. Factory OEM type door visors, blacked out by TonnoFlip. Look how flush they look on this Ram 1500. No ugly, bulky door visors, guys. These are the TonnoFlip flush fitment door visors. Now we're gonna be installing the driver's side door visor. You just place it from front to back, bend it here. Don't worry about it, guys. It's not gonna crack. These door visors are very flexible. Unlike others, they're not gonna crack. They're gonna look flat on your truck. Again, the raised tabs are going against the rubber, not the door visor. You push it in. Go ahead and do the back here. Put it in place, hold it with the finger. Push it in, raised tabs against the rubber here. Roll up the window. And as you can see, perfect fitment on this Ram 1500. The best door visors, guys. Very easy installation. You can do this in under 5 minutes with this video on all pickup trucks. Now let's proceed to install the rear driver side door visor. Just slide it in, very easy. Hold it in place, open the door. Now we're gonna proceed to install the clips. Raise tab against the rubber, hold it in place, push it in, make sure it's properly aligned. Now let's do the back here. Raise tab against the rubber, hold it in place, push it in, roll the window up. You grab it here for the first time, so everything is aligned and properly installed. Final product, guys, TonnoFlip door visors installed on this Ram 1500. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you like pickup truck mods. We're gonna be uploading videos every week so you can see the features, the products, the installations, and everything about TonnoFlip.